Amanya gange nze bampita Ahmed Mohamed Kakoi, abasinga mumanyi nga Mad Ice. Ago ge ndoza lirinnya erisinga ku bantu okuba eryamanyikibwa n'abantu. Mad Ice. I'm a singer-songwriter, producer, and also promoter. Tugambe omulundi ogusookera ddala ogwasookera ddala okugenda e Tanzania, it's 1987. Nalina emyaka 7. So ne gwe mulindi okusookera ddala okugenda Tanzania embeera y'emyaka 3 ne nasomereko katono kwegyo emyaka, and then later ne tukoma wano Uganda. So okukomawo Uganda nali maze atulisa okuyiga ku Luswayiri, tugere family namanga fana twogera Luswayiri. But when namaliriza senior 4, actually I just samala nayo nze senior 4 saatula na bigezo because of some reasons. Ne music was like kintu kinali njagala nnyo kukola. So era when naviira yawe Masaka nalinga nsomera Mbulire. Yes. Akaseera nalinga ku Bidongo. Nirujja kunsangako ku weekend ndi ku Bidongo bya Sazani. Nzali ku kazindaalo mbakubira Kerere kijja kubeeno eno gye kyavugidde biki byonna. Akafi akafulumya akakafeero akagu byonna nga bimbeerako. I think that time I was around 17, 18. Nenzija kuwa ne Kampala 1999. Nembeerawo ko just naye nga akaseera ako satandika mu Bidongo bya Kampala ate naliwo just nga ntunula ndaba biki ekigenda mu maaso. Music namwingira nti naye nali ntandise kweyiya bweyiya. Actually I remember the first time najja straight lwava mu kyalo nagenda straight ku Ewaise. There was one of my uncles yalinga mu garage. Because I was good with pencil, nze nga nkuwa bulungi nnyo ebifaananyi. Nimugamba nko ne muli ne garage wano mukola spray, body work, which nze njagala kuyiga naye njagala okuba nga nkola artwork waki or taxis zonna ezijja wano. So for me that's how I visualize art wange utilizing and nga nfunayo something. Wanaga nedda wano bisooka obireke. So nimbeerawo Bwayise nga bwe neeyiya bwe mbeera mu Kampala wenzijjako ne ntandika okutunda bukulukuluba mpola. So later I decided, you know what, it's time to go back to Tanzania. Kubanga akaseera ako abazadde ate baali bakola ki nga gye babeera nabo olubaddayo. Nejjukira akaseera ako communication was a big problem. Essimu zino ezaffe ez'okulagaanya ey'okunyoola eya lufungo tugenda kukubira saawa eziti jangu obeere okitegedde. Kati abalinanga communication abamu, there was one of my uncles naye nga ate oluusi kwegamba bo information gye baweereza eri ndala nnyo. Ate nga nange bampeereza information togifuna etegeerekeka information tojja gifuna. Eri babagamba omwana afuuka muyaaye, mubbi, ali awo, munywa njaga, malaaya kubanga olwa music. Kakati ng'obeerawo sooka n'onoonya like how am I going to communicate with people be bamaze okugamba bino. But I knew my parents nti bakimanyi siri muntu wa kika ekyo. So nembeerawo and then happened the tragedy eyagundi ya MV Bukoba yafiiramu abantu. Kati nze nali manyi kaseera kubali nga maama agenda kujja kole kati nze omutwe gwange gumanyi yali alabika naye yali omukwa simuwuliza mwengezaako kuba essimu sikola ki bwe nafunanga ka chance akakuba essimu ogenda enamba nali njimanyi ng'ogenda n'okola kino bagamba munkubire enamba eyo tulaba enaakola ki banaagikwata. So that ekiseera ekyo it became more like a mental thing. Nga sitegeera kikyendi kwa I'm like where is my mom? Oba yafiira mu mmeri oba nasala busazi nenkwata lumu neninye mmeri okuva ano yali esembe. I remember that was the last MV Victoria okuva Port Bell gye nalinya. That was its last route okujja Port Bell gye nalinya nengenda. N'ogenda leero olw'eggwenkya ne mutuuka eri ng'esuulamu esimbula no bayasimbulanga saawa 10 naye nga musuulamu naye batuuse musuula mu mazzi neetuuka enkeera. That's what I remember. Yatuukanga enkeera oba zaalinganga saa mmeka oba zaalinga 4-5 ez'okumakya I think. Era so naye akaseera ako nga njiyabuyavu nnyo ekipapula biki byonna ngenze bankutte bankwatiddemu ne I remember very well bainanga obudukulu bwe basibira abantu kati nga bambuuza olaga ne mbanyunywa wendaga naye nga mubuuza gwe ekizibu kyo ki empapula nzirina katoyagala ki lwaki ogenda sente oyina mmeka okubeera akaseera kano kogenda ne mugamba gwe oyagala buuza ono gwe ngenda okulaba kati ng'ennamba bagikuba era tewali akola ki agikwata ne bandeka nenfuluma and I went nembanoonya nembalaba and that's how I went back to Tanzania 1998. I remember it was July and then I started now to look for ways of doing music. Bampuliranga bwoba oyogeddeyo nenfuna bu gigs oba okusomesa abaana kubanga oyogera bulungi oluzungu bambi you know we have like waluka kindergarten wano tubadde tunoonya omusomesa jangu osomese nga nze nambya okusomesa weekends wengenda mu clubs ndabo banampa microphone nkoleki ntandike okweyiyo balaga that I have also talent yokukola ki okuyimba so nga ngenda ngaza MC mpola mpola and 99 egweddeko 2000 I switched. I think I had my first visit to Dar es Salaam. Ogendo ku recording angolo I got someone in Mwanza. Akola ki eyawuliranga bwe nnyimba. They even awarded me that time walingo with their own awards as a Lexon. So I won the best male singer. I was like, okay. Then they took me to Dar es Salaam to sing with one of the hip hop artists akasera ake Mwanza yaberangao. So we went to record in Dar es Salaam. The first professional recording those. And the song became a big song in the Lake Zone. And everyone was like, oh, Uyuchariba Mitamad Ice. Yeah, he's very good. The song was called Michosho. It was for Dr. KB. And he was just talking about unachotaka. It's like you just want to love me because of money, nothing else. So that was basically unachotaka ni mapenzi, mapenzi sababu ya mimali, michosho michemsho, machochochoma, waleta kwangu kimali. And that became one of the biggest songs that time. That's the chorus I did for him. So ngabuli omolu mu clubs which is Lexon kwamba inanga Tanzania ngeri very different. Tugambe nti we Kampala music wo ajja kuliwa Kampala bw'ova Mbarara tewali ajja mukuba daye wammwe okiraba je mugendeyo temutusumbwa kati nga the capital city Dar es Salaam okukubira oluyimba lu ng'ovudde Mwanza sima ovudde Zanzibar no bayinanga that segregation oluyimba ntugenda tupromotinga netupromotinga Dar es Salaam tunankana oddu kuba ku Radio 1. Radio 1 could be heard all over the country. So and the guys like, oh, this is good. Kati nze that same time is the time, I think 2000, early 2000, yeah. That's when I met my producer who I've been working with all these years, a Finnish guy, Mika Mwamba. I think most of you might know him from the likes of Saida Karoli. Mwenna mumanchambwa kama karanga, enyimba ezo album namba, yajukala yali muzungu. Omusajja naye nga talabika. So everyone hears Mika Mwamba bamanyi Mswahili. But he's a Finnish guy. Naye, so that's when I met him in 2000. Tulabagana, we didn't work because yalinanga booking zengo ina booking almost a year ahead, over 6 months. So you know booking ahead to get an appointment with him. So we come, I think we meet again in 2001. So for me, I got a chance to be in Dar es Salaam. Nentandika from Mwanza to Dar es Salaam. How do I get to Dar es Salaam? That's a different story. Somebody sent me, because I was working for a small libraries, zinongeza no kutunda tapes bichi. So ngao wenkola. So nangambo manyi ngenda tugende fene Dar es Salaam. Ngolwo the time I did the record, kweri ezanya bulungi nenkomoyo Mwanza nembeera awo nga neyabwe yebwentu. Na kalimu nkafunya akokola ku library. Kakati the guys la tugende fenna. Dar es Salaam walo bitulina okukima tujjuzeewo nti kale. Wetugenda ndeka wa muganda wangamba kati olwe bino byolina okujja nabyo like next week ticket ngenda gituma. That was it. Teyampa ticket nzizawa Mwanza ngambeerawo Dar es Salaam wa muganda after a while ngangoba nonya gy'obeera. And I was like, kati nkole ntya. Then I remembered I met a few people in 2000. Kangende mbanonya because I'm good with okujjukira ebifo bye nagendamu. Ngenda, it was just I think like after a month nengenda ngambanonya. And they're like, what happened? I was banteeka wano munnange ne bansuubiza kino ticket mpaate najja ate muwe ekifo mukulu oli aŋŋambye muveewo. I remember the people I went to, it was an organization called Gene Media. Baali bandabako the time when we came to record oluyimba. So we went for the youth camp, baali bana youth camp, oba it was a youth camp oba youth event in Mnazi Mmoja in Dar es Salaam. Kakati they needed an MC quickly, and I got oluzungu, and I said, I can help. So that's how we got to know each other. Oyo mwami eyantwala, mukulu oyo yali agenda okurecordinga, kuba yalinga manager we. He's the one who introduced me to them. Kati yao, that's how they get to know me. Bambi, hey, you're a good MC, bichi, oh, beda wa mti Mwanza. Ojanga mu Dar es Salaam watunonye. We work with the youth, bichi. Kadinanga ngenda mune muchalo ebaje Mama Sango Kipozi. Kipozi was one of the biggest journalists in Tanzania. Yafa bambi kati. Kati nga mga mama. Mune bango ngamba yi. Amwita treasurer sebo. Mutabani wa fono. Mujukire nti mujukire. Kati goine wokusula inayo extra room lwaki tomutwala. And I got up ngakola kingamba tugende. Oli mwana oli ali musajja bawarabu betanga abo basiramu ngambo oli mwana musiramu osala nti kale bino ewekiri ewaka musala buli kimu. Aya kyenali kyokola ki kyulyako. You can help out a few things wano jenga office. So today we needed actually a youth coordinator, and we remember you're good with the bavubuka. So would you be interested? Mgamba, yes, but it's a volunteer work. So you can have accommodation and food as you nintandika okukola. So that's 2001. Nintandika mpola mpola, and then in the end nga bwe noonyera wawe nagenda okuyimba. Kola with the youth olugo tubeera nabo noononya abairali talented ani ayagala ebya radio nobalaga, this is how you present, this is how you be on TV, this is what you do. Buli omu waliwo abalala, we want to do acting. Kati nembeera nabo, we were about 100 and something youth, nga we were about 110. Tusinkana buli waggulu. That was a center for us to kola ki. And then ne tubeerawo ne projects ze twakolanga, tumaliriza. I started going to one of the studios gye nasinkana. It was a project by the Norwegians. They took me in as an intern over like to be an apprentice for one of the sound engineers. Nganjigiriza sound, because he saw that I love it. Cutting and recording ezo bands kangapo simaba ba Otu Jazz simanya bani the likes of the late Remy Ongala. We were jam sessions abo. Gwana setting a studio nganzenji setting up. So I was learning. It took me like a whole year until maybe early 2002. Actually, the whole of 2002 I was there. Nengeno wembere wenganagera kaba nga byabavubuka tebikyansana. Nengamba nemba gamba nemugamba omukyala mama wano ndabika nze nkoze ki nkuze kamba vile ngende ngemaso nemulimu gwangu gwa music na studio mpa chance, let me keep on doing what I do mbere full time ngankola ki nenga sometimes olego ngenda nembeera also ne bawa youth coordinator n'obukwasa omuntu omulala bagaya. And I think early 2001 nembeera mu 2002 ngitandikiriza. I went to meet this muzungu guy. I went to look for him again. Nemusisinkana ali somewhere, but today, well, there used to be a place twatulangamu late as musicians whenever abeeranga obasanga sanga bali mukuli. I remember, I think it was lunchtime. Nemugansaba kwogerako naawe nenge enjala ennuma. I remember naina mukasini yange ngenyiri nange limu ekituli wansi kati nga ne smartinga. You walk long distances, but I knew if I see this guy nchimanyi will listen to me. Rwanda bananga yegwa yogera nyo oluzungu. Charlie speaks Swahili. For him he speaks Swahili all the time. Kati nze bwenda wa muzungu ume twakimanyira. That time nga sinna kyawula nnyo nti olwa abamu abatakola ki abatoyogera luzungu oba abatolwagala oba it's not their language. He's a Finnish guy. Finnish is their first language, second language is Swedish. N'atanga okwogera Swahili n'angamba wabulirawa mwa recording at that mugaya, but now I need help. I want to be. I've heard you have a label. That time yali tanaba ngali akolera boss we nemugamba I need a chance to be recorded. Now okay, come tomorrow. He's like, sing for me something. Ganda bachali batuddawo ba radio stations bemanyi ne muimbira mwanadamu. That was my first single actually. nangambira ojjangu enkya. He's like, come back tomorrow. Jangu at 10, and we try to lay a foundation for that song, and then we'll talk more the business. So Wanadamu is the first single that I released as a solo artist. That is hawa wanadamu mbona wa majabu, hata marafiki ni wanafiki, mkiwa wote ni rafiki zako, ukiwapa mgongo ndiye adui zako. Omuntu ono nga wangeri wanga munafuusi, bwe muba mwenna mukwano gwo naye bw'omuwowa bw'omukuba omugongo ye adui wo namba ekyo. That was the song. And I went to record. Bwe twayogeramu, we laid just only a demo. Nangambo ina kusayininga contract ne bossi wange. Bossi oyo nga ye bossi wa Sawida Karoli. Only face n'abalala. Naye nga bwe batugamba contract bw'ogiyingira mu kino otogereyo ate nze nga I'm not ready for that. Amugamba n'akiŋŋamba ne mugamba nja kukomawo enkya. Saakomawo. So I left. I was in need, but I was not ready to sign a contract again though. Olimba demo, it's just a demo. Nzero ku studio gye nkolera na bawuluwulirizaamu demo. Nanga no, that can be a good song. Oyo producer yalinga njigiriza. Naye that studio was more for like bands. For if you want a hit, ngoina kulumba oli omuzungu n'abalala. Master J, P-Funk. Nga boina okulumba bakolere hit. So now I have a chance, but I'm afraid of the contract. Why? I don't want to be assigned for 5 years or 6 years nga sina kukirizibwa kulwana na muntu yenna. That's what I understood. Nga buli omu kyayogera, tebakukiriza bwakusayininga oyo omwami takukiriza. Later, like around September, obanga mpulira, Mika Mwamba has opened his own label. He has started his own label. Nga ngenda. Nga kyali wabulirawa. Tewakoma nga mugamba no. Ebyo wali ogamba nsayininga eyo contract no, sisobola boss yo. So are you ready to sign mine? Yeah. Signing for 2 years. Paper bill is okay and zita. I'm like, I'm good. I understand contracts and so on. Good. I signed. We went back to the studio. We recorded the first song in Netulufulumia in December 2002. My first song, Wanadamu Netulufulumia 2002 December. Why do I say that's like the first solo for Mad Eyes? Kubanga kaseera ako in between. I was in one group. Ngatuli balenzi basatu. We had already recorded also from the other studio manalinga nkolera as an intern. Nga to recording zeyo one song. Nga it was playing on radio stations, especially the radio at Taifa, like the national TV. The radio. Nga balukuba ne radios and endalezimu nga balukuba nnyo. So for me, when I got a trainer, or one of the trainers, she was from Canada. I was introduced to her. Na one mwami mbali wamita Manju. He was a fashion designer. So he introduced me to that lady. And nagamba, she's a music teacher. Nchima ajja kwagala kwa gwe oli mulenzi mulungi. Kati ne mugamba, okay, na mugamba ono mwana agala umusomesa. She introduced, there was one event. And she's like, okay, go and sing something on the stage. Ningena nenyimba kwa event. Katona, I think it was Malaika or something. And she's like, no, actually I think it was either Malaika or Killing Me Softly, one of those songs. Bazungu Bonaiwali, is like, you really sing well. But I told her, no, I really need your help. And she's like, come to my place, Wichibichin, to gain Tandiko Kolachi. Like she heard what I like how I am, Wichibichin. Nemuga na group yange. Yagala kujja ufena twin. Okay, come with them. We are balaba. After a short while, nabangamba. I don't want to see them in my home. Omulenzi omu ng'abeera bw'aba atudde abamulingiza akole ki bw'alaba ayise naye omukazi bannange nga yakula bannange nga by'abeera omugamba Sami biki by'oliko. Kumbe yes, she was just trying to understand these guys. Nangano, I don't want to see them. And also, if you want to go far, but if you want to stay here, then be with them. They are talented. I understand, and they're friends. Naye, you have a choice to make. You want my training or my help on anything, you come along. So I started just going there. She helps me on a few things, mpola, and guide you vocally. vocally, but also I think life in Gerigi, she saw that. I never used to tell her, but she was like, one day she's like, sit down. What's going on? She's like, tell me what's going on in your real life. And then I had to tell her. So, nzayogera ate ng'oli akaaba. So we became very good friends. She's like, you are like my little brother. So you tell me if you need something, you tell me. You stop being quiet. If you need help, you tell me. Nenga olusi, you're like, I already have this help I need, okunjigiriza kyenjagala okukola, because I knew if I get better at my work, nja kufuna chance. If I get better with my vocals, I have something ekijja okuntwala emyaka emingi. And I didn't want to jeopardize that nti ate nsabayo kano nsabayo. No, nze nga nyinza okutambula nanga ojja kujja budde bwe buti ku ssomero wasomeseza, then tutambule tugende ewaka oba nkusange ku gate ewaka nga ntambula era obudde agenda like 10 minutes before nga natuuse oda nga manyi obudde bwange nja kutambula nkowe ntuuke. And but she realized later, she's like, otambula distance mpanvu, why didn't you tell me? It's not an ego thing. It's being afraid of losing something special. You found someone who's helping you out without musomesa. She can take private lessons afuna musente. Nasaze wakuyambi. So you either come oba bireke. Kakati ate akugambye kyekimu ngenda kugaja mu studio recording. And then ongambe mpa transport. So nembeera bwe ntyo. Era ne nafuna just the first time okurecording olumba olwange nga nfunye eyo contract noyo ne mugamba. I think that time she was soon leaving. She left me with a guitar. She's like, I want you to learn this guitar because I know one day with your vocal capability, you're going to amaze the world with your voice and the guitar. She left. I was very sad when we again. I was like, wow, because I knew I had found a friend who is helping me out to understand. And then she left. Then sigala no muzungu omulala ate ye producer from Finland.